So what are the types of maintenance? The two types of maintenance that we really that we sort of focus on are maintaining the status quo and growing your footprint. So maintaining the status quo, what does that mean? What I mean by that is the day that you launch your site, it is working hopefully exactly the way you want it to work, right? It's moving quickly. It's got compelling calls to action. You can go from one page and click through and it's going to this page and you're linking to somebody else's site and it's going to a page that's not broken. All these things that are sort of that are the status quo when you launch it, and what it's going to be like when you come, that you want to be exactly the same when you go 2 years later. So that's maintaining the status quo. Growth is growing your site's footprint. So this is typically done through either local search or, sort of global search engine optimization. And we are going to touch so lightly on growth because it is just, there's so much to say. So we're only going to talk about the very bare minimum of search engine optimization. But when you're starting to talk about maintenance, it does play in there. So I just wanted to very briefly touch on it, although we could do hundreds of webinars on search and search engine optimization.